Hi friends, now we are seeing instructions. So in this video I am going to unbox a new thing. You can see this, that soldering iron. You can see this from soldron company. You can see soldron 50 watts 230 volts. I bought it from online stores, guys. You can see soldron company. And now we will unbox this, guys. So let's see the unboxing. You can see, guys, this is a soldering rod. You can see this is a soldering iron. You can see 50 watts soldering iron, guys. You can see, I will show you. Soldron 50 watts. You can see, and then you can see. Now I will test this soldering rod. Let's see. You can see, guys. You can see the plug. We have to keep this in the socket. You can see plug. And now we will solder some of the components like LEDs. You can see LEDs and many more. So let's get started. So guys, the soldering rod is heated up. You can see I will apply the lead. You can see guys, lead is melting. And now we will solder some LEDs, you can see, with 2 wires. So let's see, guys. So I will keep this like this, LED, and then I will apply flux to the 2 wires. So let's see. And then let's see it will solder or not. You can see, guys, it's soldered up. You can see easily we can solder the wires. And then now we will see the LED. You can see the LED, and then I will solder it now. You can see here. Yes, one wire I solder, guys. You can see I solder one wire. You can see like that, and then I will solder another wire. So let's see. You can see, guys. Yes, you can see, guys, I soldered the 2 wires for the LED. You can see, guys. And now I will solder this. You can see this one. Yes. So I will remove these wires. You can see, guys. Yes. And then I will resolder these wires. So let's see. Yes, guys. You can see I soldered these 2 wires. You can see, and you can see this is our new soldering iron. You can see. So this is from the soldron company, and it is 50 watt 230 volts. You can see. So this is the video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please share this video with friends, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment. Bye friends.